pummel in, I turn my hips as I pass. And I'm always looking to fight this arm because I know he's gonna try to frame on me. Usually I like to pummel in, pick up the arm so I can secure my sideline. That's the problem. So when I'm here, as I explode up to my feet, I'm gonna use both arms quick. So if I'm like this, you can start grabbing me and start looking at me shit, right? I go here. So when we go, I'm shooting. Soon the ref say, ready, boom, I'm on his ass. Let's say my shot is not good, oh, he prepared. The problem with shooting with the gi is he start gripping me, right? He grips me, okay? So like if I try, it's not gonna work, right? So one of the things I do is so you know, I don't know, you show respect to your partner, maybe like them, maybe you don't, I don't know. Maybe you do the whole, I just go, bro, you know, and whatever, okay? But so when we come back, I'm shooting. Like I'm not sitting here. No, I'm fucking on his ass, right? Now, granted, the aggressiveness of the shot is gonna put you in a position that you're either gonna get it or not gonna get it, right? Let's say I don't get it. If you get it, we don't gotta talk about it. Right, we got the shot, we got the takedown, why even address it? But let's say you don't get it. And typically when I shoot on him, he tries to pick me up. Because maybe I didn't shoot too low. I ain't shoot low enough. But my whole goal is to get into a over-under grip, right? I need to get my hands on him. I need to get past this grip fighting where we spend too much time. I need to get into a clinch. That's when I do my damage. So if I'm right here, once again, we go like this, boom, boom, and like here, and I go here. Okay, good, thank you. That's all I need, right? From there, I'm gonna go into my inside leg trips, right? So here, when I'm here in this position, I turn this way. Okay. First one I'm gonna go. So we go over under, right? I got an underhook, he got an underhook. Okay, he's grabbing my elbow, I'm grabbing his elbow. Sometimes we hug it, it doesn't even matter, okay? What I don't wanna do is reach over. I look like I'm hugging him. Okay, we can understand that. But what I'm gonna do, sometimes I grab the jacket or I grab his subscapular, like his shoulder blade. My goal is to move him. That's money, okay? When I turn him this way, I'm gonna turn the opposite as I turn my heel into inside his leg. Here, boom. And then I pummel in, hand in the bicep. Yeah, inside leg trip, yeah. Here, yeah. Get all the way down to your knees. Yeah, boom. Yeah, you drive the leg to the inside. Yeah, right there, boom. Okay, pummel in. Okay, hop up to your feet off the active toes. You go do that extra work. If you don't, guess what, homie? You don't like the win. You don't like the sacrifice. You don't like to give up all the amenities of life to get your goal. You die now. You work hard now so you can live like a king later. If not, you're just gonna BS. Yeah, going down, drive, yes. Pummel in, easy work. Yes, and work your pass, whatever pass you know how to do, right? For me, so I shadow it real quick. So when I turn him this way with the underhook, I'm turning my heel into it. And then I inside leg trip. And then when I fall, white belt day one, what do we don't do? Put our hands on the mat. I pummel in to get to a bicep, maybe grab his collar, belt, whatever kiss and be. But I don't fall on top of him like this. When he can start wrapping me up, wrist controlling me, breaking my posture, all those things, right? I'll show one more thing. So first I get my entry. Blast a double. That could be half-hearted, not too good, but just enough. I get into an over and under clinch, right? So I'm right here, okay? I'm right here. I faked like I was going for his legs, and he got an underhook and picked me up. Okay, great. So from here, once again, as I get to this position, I got control. One of the things I do too, guys, just so you know, this for clinch 101. I don't let my elbow flare up. This is weak. This way he can start tilting me. This way he can start getting thrown. I'm right here. I'm pulling his elbow down. So I have good control, a good base where I don't get thrown too easy, right? Hopefully I'm not going against a high-level judo guy. It's gonna make my life difficult. All right, but anyways, once again, as I pull him here, I shoot my leg between his leg as I drop down to the knee like I'm sliding down a pole. This right here is pushing forward. Boom, here, right here. I quickly try to pummel in. Maybe bicep control, collar control, whatever the case may be. Usually from here, I go straight into my pass. I don't like playing in this game too long, if I can. Since my hand is on his bicep, I hop up to my feet off the active toes. Okay, and I hop up diagonally in the split stance. From here, I quickly turn to the back knee, push it down. Okay, here, and I start the pass. So if I'm here, just make it real quick, right? So here. As my knee turn in, push down, all the way down to the ground, pummel in, baseball slide pass, get my side mount. 2 points for the takedown, 3 points for the pass. I just scored 5 points, hopefully in less than 20 seconds.